What's up, J Crew? Today I have a 2-for-1 video. Today we are this video right here is unexpected. The Flex need a starter. Let me show you. Kind of dirty in here. I was out of town, so here. So yeah, need a new starter, and we're gonna be working on the Lincoln Town Car. And today, when I say I went driving hours to this LKQ, I went driving hours looking for this from LKQ. So I don't know if you guys know the Tiara edition that has the chrome piece along the door and the fender, and the Cadillac Barrettes, DeVille, whatever you want to call it. It has this chrome piece. So as you can see, I got this piece right here, and it goes all the way to the fender. This, mind you, this right here is a Cadillac design, but it works. I did have to cut a little bit right here, but the fender, this piece right here, it fits perfectly. It fits perfectly right there. Then a little spear piece go right there on the front of it, and it all coming together. So I'm gonna have to put this on in the back of it, as you can see right here. Put that on. I'll show you how to do it. But yeah, the Lincoln is dirty. I couldn't get a video out of doing these homemade Vogues because it made me mad. The paint was peeling and everything, as you can see. Watch. See? So I'm just gonna take it off, and I'm just gonna buy the real deal. But let's get on to the Ford Flex. I got to go pick up the starter from Advance Auto. And so what we're going to do is take everything off. I'm not going to take everything off. I'm going to take the battery loose. I'm going to take this this air box right here loose. And then the starter is right there. So let me go get the starter, and let's start on it. All right, so believe it or not, what was the first video I did of the Ford Flex? I think my mom had this like 4 years now, 4 or 5 years now. And this right here is just primitive maintenance. That's the word I'm looking for. So there's a lot that I'm not gonna take off. I'll move that out of the way. What's this? Move that over there. Okay. All right, so you really don't have to unplug the mass airflow sensor. All you just flip it aside. So I got the new starter, which is CarQuest. So unplug that. Now, got these 2 bolts right here. Get as much as room I can. Got these right here. All right, so for the big 2 bolts for the starter, I used a 13 millimeter, and I have one that has the thick extension and the magnet. So let's take this off. I had to remove this, remove that. So I'm not gonna mess with that too much because I don't want to interfere with the gear shift. So now let's take this off. That looks like a 11 maybe. We'll see. Maybe 11. All right, so at this point I'm just in a hurry because raining. The light is making me angry, and my keys is in my aunt truck, and my keys is in my aunt Escalade, and it's raining. I can't get the tin out because the freaking thing is in the trunk of my car. So I'm gonna have to suck it up and do something. All right, I got everything hooked back up. When I say I got really frustrated, I got really frustrated. The rain ain't made it no better. Drizzle ain't made it no better. So I just skipped out on a lot of things, a recording. So Now you see it's back together. So put this back in. Alright. There's 2 bolts right here. Alright, that was a 10 millimeter. So I think it was a 10 millimeter. I'm just picking up the nearest thing that's on my list right here. This thing. Right, hooking up the battery. Okay. I don't see nothing smoking. That was the lights if you heard that sound. So let's see. Let's see. Move this. I already cracked my phone once today. Move you. Put you over here and let's go test it. Let's see the moment of truth. All right. Hey! Okay. Now I gotta reset all this crap. Gotta reset all this. And now let's shut it off. Oh, she sounds better, like when she start up. Listen. It seems like it's faster, which I knew it's gonna be faster. Turn and shut it off. Okay. Mom, you're out the way. Now I'm finna go to my car. But first, let me put some coolant in here. I was putting water in it, which making it evaporate, but there's no coolant loss or anything, so I'm not too concerned about that. Knock on wood. So it's just I was putting water in as like a Browntown Drive. So most of that water had evaporate, so nothing. Yeah. Okay, me turn. Now I gotta figure out where I was at. I couldn't find my keys. I couldn't find nothing. And I was getting mad. I think that's why I got mad about the Flex, because I couldn't find nothing. So now I gotta wipe the car down again because there's water, and I got these two whatever you call them, double-sided tape, whatnot, right here. So I'm gonna do the front one first, man. But I'm definitely gonna be taking that off. As you can see, it just flakes off. So I'm gonna just take it off and just buy the actual tires. But I'm digging this. I have to redo this, but I'm digging it. Like I said, I'm gonna have to shave up this right here a little bit and go from there. So I like it. I like it. I searched the world for this. What are these pieces right here? All right. So let me go over it. I'm gonna have to do this fender right here over because I didn't like slightly bend it a little bit. So now every time I stick it down with the double-sided tape, it kind of pops out. So I'm gonna have to redo this one. But this one came out good. I may have to take this one back off because I think I got the wrong side. I don't know. So I'm gonna check it, recheck it. But yeah, I'm gonna do this way better than that, so don't worry about that. But overall, I'm digging it. I like it. So let me try to get another view of it, as you can see.